Well, you see, back in 1977, we humans had a rather ambitious idea. We decided to launch two tiny explorers into the vast cosmic ocean, unaware of the profound journey of discovery and, dare I say, loneliness that awaited them. Meet Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, twin probes designed to venture where no human-made object had gone before, with all sorts of clever gadgets to help them explore the outer planets. And each carried a special golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds and images. As the final checks were made, our intrepid duo couldn't help but exchange excited glances. Can you blame them? They were about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Or should I say many lifetimes. 3, 2, 1, lift off. As they left Earth's atmosphere, they took one last look at their home planet. Suddenly that big blue marble didn't seem so big anymore, did it? But wait, what's this? A piece of space debris heading straight for them. Without hesitation, Voyager 1 maneuvered to shield its twin. A small dent in its antenna was a small price to pay for its companion's safety. Voyager 2 beeped gratefully, its clay eyes widening in appreciation. Beep boop beep. It was clear these two would look out for each other, even as their paths diverged across the solar system. And so began their grand tour of the cosmos. Two tiny clay explorers venturing into the unknown, their plastic-like bodies quivering with excitement. Well now, let's catch up with our intrepid explorer, Voyager 1. Oh my, would you look at that. Voyager 1's camera eye is wider than a dinner plate. Can't blame the little fella. Jupiter's swirling clouds are quite the sight. You see, Jupiter's intense radiation posed quite the challenge for our clay hero. It's like trying to take a photo while riding a roller coaster in a thunderstorm. But Voyager 1 wasn't alone in its cosmic adventure. No siree. It kept in touch with Voyager 2, sharing discoveries like two excited pen pals. Beep boop, says Voyager 1. Boop beep, replies Voyager 2. Ah, the poetry of space probes. Woohoo! Now let me show you some of Voyager 1's greatest hits. First stop, Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Did you know that storm's been raging for over 300 years? Makes our weather seem positively peaceful. Next up, Saturn's rings. Who knew they'd make such a lovely xylophone? Voyager 1 discovered these rings are made of ice, dust, and rock. It's like a cosmic orchestra out there. Goodness me, the moons, Io with its volcanoes, Europa with its icy oceans, Titan with its thick atmosphere. Each one a world unto itself. Our clay explorer even caught a whiff of Titan's methane atmosphere. Phew! Good thing Voyager 1 doesn't have a nose. But all good things must come to an end. As Voyager 1 completed its primary mission at Saturn, it faced a tough choice. Should it power down, job well done, or venture further into the great unknown? Just then, a signal from Earth. Keep going, little one! And would you believe it, Voyager 1 perked right up, onward and upward as they say. Well folks, our plucky little Voyager 1 is really in for it now. Time to say the long goodbye to our solar system. You see, as Voyager 1 moves further from the sun, things start to, well, dim a bit. It's like trying to run a marathon with a nearly empty battery. Not easy, let me tell you. The poor thing's moving slower than a sloth in molasses, and let's not even talk about the space dust it's collecting. And communication? Hoo boy, that's getting trickier by the day. It's like trying to shout across a football field, while underwater, wearing earmuffs. You get the picture. But wait, what's this? Oh no. Voyager 1 has lost contact with its twin. Talk about feeling alone in a crowd, except there's no crowd, just vast, empty space. Our little explorer finds itself truly alone now, adrift in the cosmic ocean. And if that wasn't enough, one of its instruments decides to throw in the towel. Poor little fella. Its clay form slumps, eyes drooping, feeling utterly alone and, dare I say, a bit useless in the vast emptiness of space. As it drifts through the Kuiper Belt, our brave explorer takes a moment to reflect. Memories of Earth, Jupiter's storm, Saturn's rings, all swirling in its mind. Or, its databanks. You know what I mean. Just when things look bleakest, a burst of energy from its radioactive power source. It's like a cosmic cup of coffee. Voyager 1 straightens up, antenna twitching. Wait a minute. Are those new signals? Our little space explorer perks up, ready for its next big adventure. Who knows what cosmic wonders await beyond the solar system? The journey continues. Well, folks, our little Voyager 1 is about to make history. It's approaching something called the heliopause. Fancy word, I know, but it's basically the edge of our solar system's bubble. Ah, here we go. With a determined push, Voyager 1 breaks through. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first human-made object in interstellar space. Our clay hero is vibrating with excitement. Can you blame it? It's detecting all sorts of new particles and magnetic fields. That little golden record it's carrying? It's now truly a message in a bottle, drifting in the cosmic ocean. As Voyager 1 continues its journey into the unknown, let's take a moment to zoom back to Earth. See that little clay figure looking up at the night sky? That's us. That's humanity, connected to our tiny explorer across the vastness of space. And there you have it, folks. Voyager 1, from Earth to the stars, a cosmic odyssey like no other. Its mission continues, maybe for billions of years, carrying a piece of us into the great beyond. As we wrap up our tale, remember, in the grand cosmic scheme, we're all tiny clay figures looking up at the stars. But oh, the places we'll go.